Hello everyone, welcome back to Bunch of Opportunities. Today I'm going to share about King's Undergraduate Research Fellowships 2025. So let's see in the details. Are you an undergraduate student dreaming of spending a summer in London, conducting real research at one of the world's top universities, and getting paid for it? Well, I've got some amazing news for you. The King's Undergraduate Research Fellowships, or KURF, KUR 2025, are now open, and they might just change your academic journey forever. So let's dive into all the details. So let's talk about the KURF. It is a King's Undergraduate Research Fellowships, give undergraduate students the unique opportunity to learn alongside leading academics during the summer. Successful applicants for the fellowships are enrolled in the King's Research Award, which enables them to gain formal recognition for their role as a research fellows. So you will be identified as a research fellows through this fellowship program. Successful completion of the King's Research Award will feature on their Higher Education Achievement Record (HER). So let's talk about the eligibility criteria. So now who can apply? So it's open to current undergraduate students from King's College London and select international partner institutions. So if you're studying in the UK, Europe, Asia, or even North America, check if your university has a partnership with King's or not. So you don't need to have a prior research experience for this fellowship. Just curiosity and academic passion would be perfect for this application for the fellowship. So if you go selected for the fellowship, what will be the benefits? So let's know the benefits in details. I hope it will keep you motivated to apply. So as part of the King's Experience Research Award, current students gain hands-on research experience alongside their academic studies through reflective practice and active engagement in the production of knowledge. Students deepen their learning and develop transferable skills valued by employers and graduate programs alike. Students who complete the full award will benefit from a bursary of up to £1,500 to support the research experience. The official title of King's Research Fellow, recognizing their contribution to research at King's. Formal recognition on their higher education achievement record through the prestigious King's Research Hall, a digital certificate and LinkedIn page to showcase on job, internship, or postgraduate applications, and membership in the King's Edge community with exclusive invitations to the King's Edge celebration and Curve celebration, where they can network with employers, receive a professional careers consultations, get a LinkedIn headshot, and celebrate their achievements with peers. So the question is, what I'll do during the fellowship? So if you got the selected for the fellowship, what you will do? So let's know. Specific projects are offered by members of academic staff from across King's faculties and institutes. Undergraduate fellows receive a bursary of 1500 for 150 hours with an option to work between 4 to 8 weeks, or £750 for 75 hours, whereby you may be working alongside another fellow on a job share basis. The rules vary widely and can include laboratory work, conducting interviews, or undertaking literature review. And you will be asked to produce a reflective report that outlines how you develop key skills and how they are of value to your future career choices. You will also produce an academic poster based on your project. Students undertaking the research award will have the opportunity to be selected for posters in Parliament and can apply for the British Conference for undergraduate research. As a result, the Undergraduate Research Fellowship students have appeared as named authors on publications and exceptional achievements for an undergraduate. Students have also attended overseas conferences, curated exhibitions, and participated in groundbreaking laboratory work with real-world applications. So, what are the application process? If you are ready to apply, so let's get to know how you do it. Check your eligibility and confirm if your institution is a partner, or if you're already a student of King's, then you can check your eligibility and log into the Kits and upside the Visit the King's Experience Savers page. Choose your project from a list of KURF research options. Prepare for a strong personal statement by detailing about your academic interest, and you can submit academic reference if required and upload supporting documents, just transcript and possibly reference if required, and complete the online application form all before the deadline, which I will attach in the description. And another important tips for the fellowship application is that choose projects that aligns with your academic background or career aspirations, which will amplify your chances to get selected. So for the fellowship program, you should keep in mind some important dates that applications opened. That this is live and deadline is 22 April 2025. And the fellowship duration usually goes between June to August 2025. And here are some tips for a successful application that just tailor your personal statement to the specific research project. So align your project based on academic and show passion for the topic and how it fits into your future goals. Highlight your relevant coursework or skills that you have done before or you are doing. Even soft skill can be counted. And get feedback from a professor or peer before the submitting final applications. So if this sounds like your dream opportunity, don't miss out. I've dropped the official KURF 2025 link in the description. Share this video with your friends who might benefit. Like this video, subscribe to Bunch of Opportunities for more amazing global opportunities, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out. Let your summer in London be the start of something extraordinary. Till then, see you in the next one. Thank you.